How to access Telegram Cloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to access Telegram Cloud, so let's just get started. First of all, open up the Telegram app on your phone, and once you're in the app, head over to the chat tabs where you will be seeing all of your conversations. Now, all of your medias, files, and messages are automatically stored in the Telegram Cloud. To access them, you can simply scroll through your chat history. Anything you have shared or received is stored there. So you can also type in, use the search bar at the top to find up specific messages in the chat itself in the cloud, and simply scroll through your chat history, anything you have shared or received. To view or download files from your cloud, you can just go ahead and tap on the file in any chat and it will automatically download or open directly from your Telegram's cloud storage. And if you want to do any settings on your cloud storage, you can go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top left. Head over to settings and go to data and storage. Once here, you'll be finding different options that will automatically save up or apply different settings. And that is it. Now you know how to access the Telegram Cloud. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. And thank you for watching.